Looking like a certain someone in the White House. You guys are just tuning in. This is my everyday makeup look, you know.
You can. I won't do anything.
Guys, I'm with Alexis from Blushington, and we are doing a little Halloween pumpkin skull situation. Alexis is gonna walk us through how to do this, what we're gonna do, the products we're gonna use, and yeah.
Okay. So, first, we're gonna use a release for his skin to prep and moisturize.
My skin has been horrible lately.
Orange eyeshadow all over first, just like this. The dense brush, because I really want the color to be prominent, so I'm just gonna go with this.
Called the Ultimate Shadow Palette from NYX.
This is just cream makeup, kind of like the Makeup Forever one, but this one's from Amazon.
And guys, if you remember from my Instagram last year, we did like a skull.
Half skull.
Yeah, it was really cool. And I'll put it here somewhere.
This is warming up in my hand, so it's like more creamy to blend. So now I'm gonna start with this, yeah.
So this is just like a
Scary
really cute look right now, you know? Just like everyday look. You guys just like asking for my everyday look, so you know. Looking like a certain someone in the White House. I actually have no idea what I'm gonna do for Halloween yet.
Like on the day of or this weekend?
Just like in general. Because I have all of like my ideas for Halloween like over the summer, and then like I forget all of them. And then it like does not become a priority when it is time, so you know.
That always happens. Call you later, Mom. Decline. I'm gonna like black out the eyes, so I'm not like worried about that section, and then we're mostly gonna cover the nose with black. There goes the brushes.
So you guys can basically use like any palette that has like a darker orange or brown and like mix the two together. I will look like a crazy person on the street, but I guess people will understand the vibe.
Yeah. The Stila Black smudge pot liner to do his eye.
It's our town, everybody stand. It's town of Halloween. I am the one hiding under your bed, teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs, fingers like snakes and spiders in my hair. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween.
Cool this is, you guys.
So, what do you think? Whatever's gonna make me not freak out. Look. You look
Hey look, the look.
Wait, are you? That's it. Okay. Eyeliner. Oh.
I look so ridiculous.
Who sings the Versace song? Try to put your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Oh my god, it doesn't even work for you. Do you want to do it yourself? Can you
No,
do it?
I don't think I would be able to. I just need to like.
Okay, don't think about it.
It's like a reflex.
I can't.
Every day, yeah. It's gonna look like a Bratz doll.
Okay.
But it,
Exactly. I don't think like I could change anything unless I like overdo this. That would be weird. I wanted to do just like the pop art.
look down first. Let me see.
So like a little dot. So it's like
Oh my god.
like a outline. I don't know. Here's the performance. I got inspired. And my friends put it in Carlisle.
Almost done.
Okay.
You're gonna get into everywhere today, huh?
I apologize for that
It's okay.
experience.
So what did you do to YouTube? What's your favorite product?
It probably won't drip all the way down, but I do want it to naturally.
You guys are just tuning in. This is my everyday makeup look, you know. Real so
It's gonna
weird.
be probably cold and wet. Wait, your hair.
It feels like I sneezed and I like didn't wipe myself. Weird.
Very tickly. Tickly, tickly. Oh wait. Wait, I need to get. Oh
Like
my god,
in
I'm
my
gonna write it.
nostril.
Yeah. There you go.
Nosebleed. Funny.
What do you think?
It's
How do you
so
look?
cool.
Okay.
Okay. I feel like I might sneeze.
You can. It won't do anything.
This is so cool. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, follow Alexis on Instagram, follow Blushington on Instagram, and all of our social channels. And yeah, we'll link below all of the products we use to create this look. It's really cute, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, bye guys.